This is going to be a reading for the sign of Aries, all that I need to know about your person in the month of June. So let's see what's coming up for you guys. Let's take first three cards for you. What are you guys going through? And then we'll move on to your person. Okay, right now, many of you guys could be feeling left out in the cold with Five of Pentacles. In the recent past, many of you guys could have wanted to move in a new direction, or you guys were focused on moving to a certain place or a certain person, but nothing really worked out. Right now you feel a bit left out. Okay, for some of you financially also you might be struggling. Okay, what else is happening for Aries for the month of June? With World card, there is certain amount of separation that's going on. It could be physically, energetically, that you very much feel with your person. Okay, with Chariot, I do see some travel plans involved in the next couple of weeks. I don't know if it's another country or another city or another state, but yes, traveling could be involved. Oh God, what else do you see coming up for Aries, please? Okay. With Judgment card, darling, you definitely are at crossroads regarding a past connection or like maybe a job that you need to finally decide on whether you should be a part of it or whether you should quit. But you definitely have a decision to make in the next couple of weeks. Okay, for many of you, I believe that you do have feelings for someone. However, this connection for now is going nowhere. Moreover, your person isn't giving you the attention that you want from them. Okay, in terms of your connection, relationship, what's going on? One card for your person. What's the overall energy going to be like between you and them? I do believe someone could have walked away. It's either you or them, but someone did walk away. This kind of feels like a breakup. If it's not a breakup, your person isn't giving in to this connection. Emotionally, they are unavailable. Okay, so what's your person up to? What's your person up to, Aries? Knight of Cups. How are they thinking about you right now? How are they possibly thinking about Aries right now, Spirit? Okay, this person is ghosting you. Okay, a reason being they have an option. Okay, but this person is very much indecisive. They do not know which direction to go. In terms of emotionally, how do they feel about Aries now? How do they truly feel about Aries? Even if you guys are not talking, they still feel connected to you. Okay, regardless if there is communication or not. But this person is behaving like a bitch. Every time you message them, you contact them, you reach out, it's always cold. Okay, they hardly reply to your messages, they hardly react, they always act like they are unbothered, uninterested. Okay, like whatever, so why are they doing this? What's the major blockage? What's the major blockage that's getting in their way? Knight of Swords. Maybe someone felt like like someone was pushing them too much in a certain direction and they did not like it. If it's not that, then someone wanted a open relationship. I also believe that they were not ready for a commitment. Okay, this person is more of a player who likes to come and go at their own possible convenience. Okay, one card for what are they hiding from you? What's going on in their personal life? I mean, this person for some of you could have also been very rude, rash. Okay, personal life with Empress card, they could be focused on a certain person this time. Okay, the reason why they might have not come towards you is because they are focused on another connection. Okay, one card for what are their intentions towards the third party, if at all they have a third party. I believe they want to stick around the third party for now. Okay, the reason why they are ghosting you is because they want to stick around. They want to spend more time with the third party. Okay, one card for how do they think about you in terms of this connection? How do they truly think about Aries now? I believe with you like it was more like sexual connection, and eventually they gave up on it. Okay, with Five of Wands in the reverse, for some of you, they did involve this individual which kind of got in the way, but with you, I believe they still think about you, but more in a sexual way. Okay, so what do they want with you now in terms of intentions? What does the Aries person want with Aries now? Right now with Four of Cups, they are not going to give you time. I see this person kind of acting like, you don't matter. They are ghosting you. They are not even focused on this connection. I'm sorry if I'm coming a bit direct, but that's how I want to be. Okay. One more card. In terms of what action I want to take towards you, what action does this individual want to take towards Aries now? With Seven of Pentacles, they will want to take more time. Okay, I don't see this person eagerly taking action towards you. I see them wanting to make you wait, wanting to possibly focus on some other thing that is going on in their life rather than the connection they share with you. However, what can you expect for the next couple of weeks? What can Aries expect from their individual for the next couple of weeks? With Six of Pentacles, it is more like breadcrumbing. Okay, I do think this person may give you attention, but I do not see them emotionally being available to you. Rather, they are emotionally draining you than giving you anything. Okay, rather than making you feel good, they are making you feel worse with Nine of Cups in the reverse. Okay, so one card of advice for Aries moving forward. With Five of Swords, right now is the time to decide whether it's even worth fighting for this connection. It's about your self-respect this time. Okay, I hope you understand that. One card for where things are going to be going for the next couple of weeks between Aries and their soulmate. I feel that you feel stuck in this connection. Okay, I see that that you are unable to move on. You are trying to go in a certain direction. You know that this person is not good for you, and you have been trying to possibly juggle whether you should give up or whether you should give in or whether you should wait. But it's been going on. The cycle is going on. Okay, but do not try to repeat the cycle. Okay, you have, as it is, gone through too much with this individual. I see them focused on another something right now. Okay, this could be a third party or a job or family situation. Take however it resonates in your case, but to be very honest, I do not see them focused on this connection in terms of fixing it or getting on the same page as you. Okay, so what does Aries need to know about this person now? Past person involved hiding someone. Just like I told you, they could be involved with the past person. The reason why they are not very much giving in or vibing with you is because they are hiding someone or hiding a certain connection. Okay, one more card where things are going to be going for Aries for the next couple of weeks. I do see a new love coming in your life if you're waiting for one. Okay, will open up, love blooming. So I do see, if you look at yourself as hurt and deprived and not being able to find the right one, I do see you meeting someone. Okay, but the past person right now is looking at the situation as toxic and negative. They are not very much looking forward to it in a good way. Okay, and the second card we have is not looking for commitment, so that has always got in the way, you know it. Okay, so yes, this was your reading for the sign of Aries for the month of June. All that you need to know, straightforward, no sugarcoating, and that's about it. If it resonated, kindly hit the like button. Do let me know in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. If you want a personal reading with me, do reach out on my website and select the one that fits you best. Okay, I hope to see you soon, guys. Happy month of June. Cheers.